Now, what is meant by pair of linear equations? In this equation, we are considering two linear equations. That's all. For example, see here 2x plus 5 is equal to 1. This is one equation. 5x minus 2x is equal to x minus 3. This is another equation. So this is one equation and this is another equation. We are considering two equations. That's all. This is about linear equation in one variable. Now for example, in two variables means in two variables. Consider this equation, linear equation in two variables. Now see here 2x plus 5y is equal to 3. This is an equation in linear. Why it becomes linear? See here x to the power is 1, y to the power also is 1. So that it is linear equation in two variables. Why it is two variable? X is one variable, y is another variable. So linear equation in two variable. Now we are considering one equation. Actually this linear equation in two variable is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here what is the value of a? 2. What is the value of b? It is 5. What is the value of c? No, it is not 3. Bring this 3 to left hand side. Minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So that c value is minus 3. Like this, we have to consider two equations. That's why they are given pair of linear equations. They given. Pair means two. So this is one equation. Equation number 1. For example, we are considering two equations. See here. Another equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is second equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is first equation. This is second equation. Oh no, there is no difference between these two. Correct? That's why what I am doing, in the first equation I am giving that a1, b1, c1. Second equation I am giving that a2, b2, c2. Now easily we can identify a1, b1, c1. It's in the first equation. a2, b2, c2 are in the second equation. It is nothing but, I will give you one example. You will get clear idea. See here 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. Another one 7x minus 4y is equal to 3. This is another equation. Now see that from the first equation we can say the constants 2, 3, 5. That is coefficient of x, coefficient of y and the constant. From this we can say a1 value is 2, b1 value is 3, c1 value is, bring this constant to left hand side, minus 5, right? From this second equation we can say coefficient of x is 7. That is a2 value is 7, b2 value is minus 4, c2 value is minus 3. So from these two equations we can say a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Are you clear with this one? This is nothing but a1 means the coefficient of x in the first equation. a2 means the coefficient of x in the second equation. b1 means the coefficient of y in the first equation. b2 means the coefficient of y in the second equation. c1 means the constant term in the first equation. c2 means constant term in the second equation, right? Now what is the graphical representation of this line? This one line represent this equation, this linear equation in one variable, two variable represent a straight line. Already in 9th standard we complete, right? So the first equation represent a straight line, second equation also represent a straight line. So we will get two lines, correct? If we plot these points in the graph, we will get one line for the first equation, another line for the second equation, right? It may be two lines will come like this, or the two lines will go like this, or the two lines lies on the same line, right? The two lines will becomes like this. There are three possibilities. That is, first line may be intersect the second line, or the two lines may be parallel, or the third one, two lines may be coincident. Three cases are there. When we can say these two lines are intersecting, there is a condition. That is, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it becomes intersecting. Now we know what is the value of a1 b1, a2 b2, c1 c2, right? So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then these two lines will intersect. There is no need to plot these points in the graph. After this, analyze this two lines are intersecting. No need. Directly we can say, by go through this coefficient itself, we can say these two lines will intersect. Now, what is the condition for parallel? Parallel means what is that? It will never intersect. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to, which is not equal to c1 by c2, is called a parallel. These twos are equal, but which is not equal to c1 by c2, then it becomes parallel. What is the condition for coincidence? Coincidence means these two lines are actually equal. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now you itself try something, that is, which is two equations are intersecting, two equations which are parallel, two equations which are coincident. Like that, you just try some equations.